Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi Bapak Ibu guru hebat sekalian. Perkenalkan, saya Yuni Herawati. Saya adalah salah satu guru mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris yang bertugas di SMA Negeri 8 Palembang. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan menampilkan kegiatan pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris kelas 11 dengan tema legenda rakyat setempat berjudul Si Pahit Lidah. Melalui kegiatan pembelajaran ini, diharapkan siswa mampu 1. Mengidentifikasi bermacam-macam karakter termasuk fungsi sosial dan struktur teks. 2. Memahami informasi tersirat dan tersurat dari cerita. 3. Menampilkan hasil diskusi dan menceritakan kembali informasi yang didapat di depan kelas. Kegiatan ini menggunakan model pembelajaran problem-based learning dan menggunakan penilaian individual serta kelompok. Selamat menyaksikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Stand up. Greeting to our teacher.
Okay, good morning, students. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Okay, before it, I will check your class first. Okay. Please, Fajar, throw your garbage. And please tidy up your uniform. Okay? Finish? Now feel our nationality. Let us sing national song. Okay, please, Alita, come in your class. Before we start our lesson today, it's better for us to pray. Okay, please, come on, read the prayer.
Before we start the lesson, let's pray. Pray, begin.
Okay,
sementara belajar merupakan salah satu hal yang membosankan. Paling tidak, itulah salah satu alasan kenapa hampir setiap orang pernah mempertanyakan untuk apa sebenarnya kita belajar. Untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini, mungkin kita perlu mengenal salah satu teman terbaik yang akan cukup sering kita jumpai di dunia. Dia adalah masalah. Masalah adalah sebuah kondisi yang menghasilkan situasi membingungkan, sesuatu yang menuntut untuk diselesaikan. Dan ini terjadi di segala usia, baik pada orang dewasa maupun anak-anak.
Who wants to conclude about our motivation today? Okay, Sapa.
The conflict is, as a student, we must study, solve our problem by ourselves. Study is important to get our future.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you for Sapa. Okay, our motivation today is it's better for you to study to get your better future. Okay, don't forget it. Yes. Okay, now students, do you still remember about our yell? Yes. Now please stand up. Learning English. Stop, please. Okay, students, do you remember about our topic last meeting? What is that? About? Okay, about narrative text. Who can explain about narrative text? Okay, Sepia, please.
Narrative text is an imaginative text.
Okay, that's good. Narrative text is an imaginative text. Now, our material today is about narrative text, especially about legend. Okay, about legend. You know legend? Yes. Legend is legenda. Okay, favorite tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini yaitu you can identify and analyze the social function, the structure of the text, and the language feature. And then you can conclude and find the moral value from the text. Okay, that is our aim today. And then manfaat pembelajaran kita pada hari ini yaitu menangkap pesan moral dari cerita serta mengambil makna yang bisa dipelajari pada isi cerita teks naratif yang disajikan. Okay, student, I have some picture for you. Look at the picture. Okay, what is the picture? There is yes, that's good. There is Ampera Bridge. Okay, where is the location? Who knows? Okay, in our town, South Sumatra, especially Palembang. Okay, next picture. Look at. What do you know about this picture? There is, yes, there is. Raise your hand. Okay, Aisa.
Temple.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Aisa. There is temple or yes, Cynthia?
Pagoda.
Pagoda. That's good. There is pagoda. Beside this place, have you ever heard about the legend from this town?
Yes.
Okay, have you ever? Yes. What are they? Raise your hand. Okay, okay, Theo, what are they?
Story of Pulau Kemarau.
Okay, that's good. The story of Pulau Kemarau. Others? Okay. Septia.
Gua Putri.
Goa Putri. Okay, that's good. Nah, other? Okay, Abdul?
Putri Kembang Dada.
Putri Kembang Dada. That's good. Other? Yeah, Nafi?
shout was heard from a garden.
Hooray! I found the golden mushroom.
Arya Tebing picked the mushroom and sold it quickly. He got plenty of money from selling it. Meanwhile, Serunting watched Arya Tebing jealously. Arya Tebing's land was next to his. The land used to be one garden. They then divided it into two because Serunting married.
It feels good to have others.
The next morning, Serunting continued his journey. At this time, he met many people. There was an old couple who were still working at their ages.
Sir and ma'am,
You watch the video. Now I will divide you as a group based on your favorite color. Okay. Okay, I will ask you, who is the favorite color is red? Okay, Abdul. Okay. Okay, with your friend. Okay, Nala. Okay, what about yellow? Okay, you. Nala, your friend. What about pink? Okay, Putri, you. Putri, you. Ahmad. Okay, what about black? Black. Okay, Rafi. And your friend. Please take it. Welcome. What about blue? Okay, Kayla and your friend. What about green? Okay, Mustafa and your friend. Okay, now please join with your group with same color. Oke, sekarang silakan join dengan temannya yang punya warna favorit yang sama. We'll give you the task. Okay, this is for blue group. This is for green group. This is for yellow group. This is for chocolate group. This is for orange group. Okay, students, now look at the task. There are 4 parts. Part 1, task 1. There are A and B, and task 2. There are C and D part. Look at the instruction and with your friend find the answer from the question. Okay, start from now. This part has to determine the generic structure of the text, and then you can find the sample of language feature. Part A, there are 4 paragraphs. You can determine where is the paragraph of application, orientation, communication, and then language feature. Where is past tense, adverb of time, conjunction, and next about the transition and okay, student, we know about the instruction for task 1, task 2, and first time you can read the text first and then find the answer. Part A, part C, and part A is generic structure, part A is language feature, part C is transition, and about you and your group? Do you understand about the instruction?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Okay, Fala. Renando, do you understand about the instruction? Okay, thank you. That's good. You? Do you understand about the instruction? For class 1 and class 2? Blue, have you finished? Yes. Not yet. Okay, green, have you finished? Okay, that's good. Yellow, have you finished? Yes, us. Okay, that's good. Now, it's time for you to present your task in front of the class. Okay, who wants to start first? Okay, what about this? Pink group, please come in front of the class and present your task. Okay, others, please listen for pink group.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So here this morning, this Sunday morning, we are from Pink Group wants to present about our topic is narrative text, especially about story. Story is a bitter tongue, or in Indonesian we can say si pahit lidah. So that's that we want to talk about the generic structure of story si pahit lidah. And let's enjoy. Before we start the presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Prasetyo Prawira as the moderator, and beside me there's Putri Iqra Aulia as the first writer, and the second we have Tina Mitra as the second writer, and the last we have Alsha Mada as the reader. So enjoy.
Define the generic structure from the text above. Paragraph 1, orientation. Paragraph 2, complication. Paragraph 3, complication. Paragraph 4, resolution.
Alright guys, in this whiteboard you can see the generic structure from the text si pahit lidah. First, we have orientation. That's the, in Indonesia we say penempatan. Itu tuh there is in paragraph 1. And the next we have complication in paragraph 2. And still same in the complication, but in Indonesia penekanan kembali atau klimaks dari sebuah cerita there is in paragraph 3, and the last one is resolution, or maybe the coda from the text or from the story. It's there in paragraph 4. So we open question for who wants to ask, or you want to comment with this generic structure. We open it.
Okay. Give comment for the pink group.
I think you guys did so well with this presentation, and I think you can develop with your skills.
Thank you so much for your comment, Guru. Anyone else wants to ask or comment with our material today
Once another.
about the generic structure of Sipahit Leader? Okay, there's nothing again. So I think enough for this sunny morning. I close up with Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, and I close Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, now who wants to present your task in front of the class? Okay, who wants to try? What about group? Okay, please welcome class and listen for blue group presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group Blue, and today we will present about our work stage. So let me introduce myself. My name is Kaiba as a moderator, and then Alita as the writer, Marsha as the speaker, and Aisa as the speaker too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, we're going to determine the generic structure from the text. And the second one, find the language picture. We will start from the first one, or the first task is determine the generic structure. Then go to it by Marsha.
Language picture is one past tense. Example: one there lived a mighty young man named is 70. 2. He was very powerful. And 2. A number of time is example once upon a time the next day. And conjunction is an example that when and that ended. And direct speech is Europe, country, that surrounding Soviet changeant is past tense. Example: one there lived a mighty young man named is 70. 2.
Yeah, that's it from our presentation, and we're very sorry if we made mistakes by this one. I'm going to give the presentation to give us some comments or questions. Okay, do you have some comment or question from that group? Okay, please for doing.
I want to give comments. You guys did on your presentation is good, and your explanation is very good and clear.
From our group, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, applause for okay, thank you for Blue Group. Yellow Group, are you ready? Okay, please go up in front of the class. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Yellow Group. Today we will present you up and see all about our works. That is the digital form. Okay, first we're going to introduce ourselves first. I'm Sarah as a moderator, Intan as writer, Yosi, Donija as speaker. So first,
The conclusion of the bishop song is once upon a time there was a prince named Serunting. He was descendant of a giant from the Sumedang area. His birthright was envy. This jealousy was also felt by his brother-in-law, and there was a fight between the two. Long story short, there was a fierce fight between Serunting and Arya Cliff. Then Arya Cliff persuaded her sister to tell her weakness. Then she told Serunting and then lost. short story as Runting when imprisoned to Mount Siguntang by Dewa Mahameru. He was promised supernatural power.
So, our mental period for you all. We're open for Q&A session, so if you want to ask me. Yes, you from Being Group. Yes, and
So, first, I will appreciate your presentation, but I want to ask something.
nice to meet you. So, just the game were also animals in game. Okay. The main character is Seruti. Do you understand? Sorry for our mistake. Let me close our. Okay, give applause for you. Thanks for your participation. And I will choose for the best presenter today. From group. Okay, yellow. Okay. Okay, give applause for yellow. Okay, please collect your task for me. Theo, help me collect it. Okay, thank you, Theo. Okay, student, I have some question. This is your evaluation today. Okay, I give you the question and please answer the question. Okay, student. Now answer the evaluation, and I give you 5 minutes to answer the question. Do by yourself. Don't cheat your friends. Can you finish? Please, Fajar, please help me circle again. Today, you have learned about the narrative text. What is narrative text? Look at the picture. Narrative text is a legend in a story about human event or action. And then, what is social function? To entertain or amuse the reader. Yeah. And next, what is a generic structure? Generic structure are orientation, complication, resolution. Okay, there is two. And Hoda. Hoda is moral value. Okay, next. Language feature. There are past tense, there are conjunction, there are adverb of time, and there are dialect speech. And then after you read the picture, you watch the video and presentation in front of class, it's time for you to conclude about our material today. Who can conclude the subject today? Okay, Kayla, please come in front of class. Listen to Kayla.
I'm gonna tell you about the conclusion about today's topic. So first of all, narrative text is an imaginative story that humanizes animals, objects, or parts of nature as main characters. Okay, and it tries to entertain the reader. Okay. The generic structure of narrative text obtain orientation,
complication, resolution,
and further of the moral values. And the language features are past tense, adverb of time, conjunction, and direct speech. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, give applause for Kayla. Okay, students, do you enjoy about our subject today? Yes. Do you get some difficult about our subject? No. Okay, do you understand about the material? Yes. Okay, that's good. Time for you to reflection about our subject today. The question is, explain two things you know about lesson, explain two things you like from the lesson, and explain one thing you get difficult from the lesson. Okay. Who wants to try to answer this question? Okay. Theo, stand up. Yes.
First, three things that I would know about this lesson. Today we learn about the narrative text. And then the second, we know about narrative text is an imaginative text with problem, and we have a solution to solve the problem. And then the last, the third, on a narrative text, we have moral value, and plus maybe we use past tense.
Okay.
And then the second question is two things I like from the lesson.
Okay.
Is I like the history, business, and magic story, and narrative text is the awesome. I can imagine this text with my brain.
Okay.
And then the last, I think, one thing you get to know from the lesson, I don't get difficult with this lesson.
Okay. You don't get the difficult from this subject. Okay. Thank you, Leo. Give applause for you. Okay, for you, you can write your reflection in your Google Classroom. Find this question from your Google Classroom. Okay, student, I have task for you. Look at. Task for you. Look at. Okay, your assignment. Find another sample of narrative text, especially about legend. Write down on your book and collect it next minute. Okay, do you get it? Okay, thank you. And then, meaning we studied about narrative text, especially about fable. Fable is cerita hewan yang tingkah lakunya diibaratkan seperti manusia. Thanks for attention today. Thanks for your participation. And see you for next meeting. But before we end our lesson, please Abdul Rahman lead the prayer.
Okay, my friend, before we end the lesson, let's pray. Pray again.
Okay, students, don't forget to study at your home and do the task, do your assignment, and see you for next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.